Hello and welcome. We are still in our beginners class and we are still in our first toolbar, which is called the draw toolbar. Now we move to the elliptical arc. I take my cursor to that place. I've told you, if you want to know the name of any tool that you see, just place your cursor on it for some seconds. The name will come out. So let's left click on the arrow that we are seeing on the right side of that toolbar. By the time you left click 2 times, a drop down menu will come out showing the tools underneath that elliptical arc. Now we now click the first one, which is cross center. By the time we click it, we now go to read what the command prompt is saying. Ellipse, specify center of ellipse. So we specify this center. By the time we specify that, we go to the end point of axis. We take it to a certain point. You specify the end point. We left click again. We can see the ellipse has come out. So whenever we see what shape that we desire, we now click again. That's the third time that we are going to click, signifying the end of that command. So that's the first arc. So we take our cursor again to the elliptical arc, to the arrow beside it. You see the drop down, you see axis end. You left click again, bring your arrow back to specify the axis. You read whatever it says, specify the first point, take it to the right, left, anywhere you desire. Me, I'm taking my own to the right, specify the other end point. By the time you specify the other end point, you can now specify the distance to other axis of rotation. So we are not specifying any distance now. Just play with it, see the way the ellipse is being formed. By the time you get what you like, you now left click, signifying the end of that command also. So let's go back to the last one. You left click again to that right side, you click the elliptical arc, you go again, you now left click, you say ellipse, specify axis endpoint. You specify the endpoint, you go like this again, you click, you left click and specify the endpoint of that axis. You see the shape of the ellipse. Now you now specify distance to other parts. You click again. By the time you now specify it, it will now be telling you that specify start angle. Now you can start from 90, 180 and so on. So let's just do 90. If you want to get 90, you take your cursor to this side and you click it like this. You have specified the start angle, specify the end angle. If you now come like this, click again, specifying this angle, showing 90 degrees. So that's how ellipse is being formed.